Discovery Acquisition Services was initially formed in 1994 as a seismic survey services provider for the geophysical industry. Through organic growth and aggressively pursuing acquisition targets to expand our services, DAS has blossomed into a full-suite front-end services company with 6 main operating units: QHSE, R&D, permitting, surveying, line clearing, and seismic drilling services. With a staff of over 450 full-time and contract employees, DAS has a strong emphasis on standardization of training for all incoming and existing employees. Based in Katy, Texas, our corporate offices and mechanical support staff are housed in a state-of-the-art 20,000 square foot facility on 25 rural acres. This prime location allows for further expansion and additional growth as DAS continues to meet our increased demand from our customers. As a front-end provider, DAS strives for superiority in our HSE management system. Clearly defined and well-communicated health and safety roles and responsibilities for all levels of the organization have been implemented to create a uniform process encompassing all 3 divisions. This successful implementation involving senior management, employee participation, and successful allocation of resources has set us apart from our peers. Our commitment continues with GPS tracking for our entire road fleet and for all of our off-road vehicles, personnel identification cards for employees, Axiom Medical for field emergencies, and complete DOT and ATF certification. DAS strives for the highest standards and will continue to identify key steps and develop implementation strategies to effectively improve safety performance. DAS has been developing inertial survey software and hardware for over 8 years. While this technology is applicable to many different uses for the oilfield services industry, in the seismic industry, this advanced technology differentiates DAS from most competitors and allows for more efficient operations. Permitting plays a crucial role establishing the foundation for a project's development and overall success. Permitting delays and problems, which lead to surveying and drilling issues, can adversely impact recording crew schedules. DAS's knowledge and experience in managing the permitting process alleviates these issues, saving our clients time and money. Combining full-service project management, comprehensive GIS and data management, and utilization of quality permit and field support personnel, DAS is able to fully manage each project, from initial award through successful completion of acquisition. Our number one goal is to interface directly with landowners to explain the process completely and work with them through the course of the project, making sure all permit stipulations are adhered to. We promote full-service project management with experienced supervisors utilizing quality oversight, QC permit payment management, permit cost tracking, and comprehensive GIS and data management. Our project and data managers and our mineral and surface agents all receive complete training for their respective positions prior to commencing field visits. Recent increases in demand for seismic imaging in more rural and remote regions around the U.S. have allowed DAS to expand our suite of services into the line clearing sector. Efficiencies in all phases of a seismic program are generally tied to successful field accessibility. At DAS, we have a fleet of mulching units ranging in size from 100 horsepower for smaller paths to 260 horsepower for some of our larger jobs. We also have hand-cutting crews that are certified in the use of chainsaws and other handheld power devices for all environments in the U.S. DAS is a large provider of geophysical surveying services in the U.S. and has a long-standing reputation of quality service in the industry, with its history dating back to 1994. Depending upon the location and terrain of a proposed survey area, a number of different survey techniques can be used. Traditional surveying methods have largely been overtaken by the use of modern GPS or inertial surveying techniques in recent years. Setting us apart from smaller competitors that can only offer certain solutions, DAS has the ability to perform all of the industry standard surveying techniques, including but not limited to GPS surveys, inertial surveys, and hazard access mapping surveys. DAS has experience and expertise throughout the U.S. with well-staffed and well-equipped survey crews. Each crew is led by an on-site manager that has a history of successfully completed projects. We also have the necessary support to expand our operations to meet increased client demand. DAS benefits from an expanded fleet of drill equipment, including 15 Ardco buggy-style rigs, 9 large tracked rigs, and 10 small tracked mountain goat rigs. With the types of drills we deploy, we can tackle relatively any challenge we are faced with. Specific to the Northeast U.S., our mountain tracked rigs have a relatively low center of gravity, which increases adaptability while maintaining a safer work environment in the steeper areas. And because of the size and dimension of the rigs, we can minimize our seismic environmental footprint, which is appreciated by our customers as well as the general public. Looking at the specific dimensions of our rigs for our northeastern United States operations, our rubber-tracked carrier is a Comtrack 300 that is approximately 5 feet wide and 12 feet long and has a minimum ground clearance of approximately 12 inches with an overall gross weight of just under 10,000 pounds. The actual drill unit is powered by a 100 horsepower diesel compressor engine with a compressor capable of providing 300 CFM at 200 psi. Along with the drill unit, we provide a corresponding chase vehicle to haul explosives, gravel, and other downhole periphery. With this two-vehicle drill tandem, we again maximize efficiency and minimize the environmental footprint. When needed, the chase vehicle can tether to the drill unit for stability and safety in steep and rough terrain. For Gulf Coast and mid-continent regions of the U.S., our 4x4 articulated drill unit is an Ardco buggy that is approximately 25 feet in length and about 8 feet wide. The total gross weight is around 20,000 pounds with an open cab ROPS system. The drill unit itself is powered by a Detroit 453 engine with an Ardco heavy-duty top-head drive rotary assembly. Pull-up or pull-down capacity is 6,000 pounds with a speed to 100 RPMs, and for safety and accessibility, we outfit each unit with a 20,000-pound Ramsey winch. To assist the drill unit, we provide a corresponding 4x4 Ardco water buggy vehicle to haul water, explosives, gravel, and other downhole periphery. The type of tires we use does limit this type of drilling in some areas of the U.S., but as a complement to our smaller tracked rigs, when needed, this tandem works well in providing field-proven technology to meet our clients' needs. DAS will continue to operate all their services in a prudent manner, and management believes that through its long-standing relationships with geophysical service companies and oil and gas operators, DAS will be well positioned to provide our customers with a consistent set of product and services, uniquely created and combined so as to minimize delays, provide specific efficiencies, and create value for our customers, all the while maintaining a safe work environment for our employees.